PBB Gen 11 big winner Fayang Smith can't help but gush over the compliment she received from kapamilya actress Ivana Alawi. Last March 7, Ivana held a Thanksgiving press conference and she was asked for her recent favorite collaborations on her YouTube vlogs. Ivana said that she had so much fun with Fayang. During the contract signing of her latest endorsement deal with a Cebu-based company, Fayang expressed happiness after hearing Ivana's remarks. "Dumaan po siya sa feed ko and sobrang nat-ouch po ako," said Fayang. "Sobrang na-overwhelm po ako kasi nag-iisang Ivana Alawi na sinabi na ako yung favorite niya. Tungkol po sa vlog namin, actually nakalimutan ko po na vlog po pala yun sa super nag-enjoy po talaga ako with Miss Ivana." Fayang also said she wants to work more with Ivana soon. "Actually si Miss Ivana rin po yung gusto kong maka-work if ever may teleserye or movie, super happy po ako." Meanwhile, Fayang was giddy while sharing her early favorites in the PBB Collab edition. She hasn't seen the first few episodes but, "I saw clips po online, and this early, nakikita ko po yung sarili ko kay Esner." She also mentioned that she is happy to see Ivana inside the PBB house. Fayang reminded viewers though to keep an open mind while watching PBB and advised viewers not to judge the housemates. "Super nakakatuwa po na magkasama sa isang bahay yung mga taga-GMA at ABS-CBN. I don't think meron pong hadlang or kahit anong problema doon. Feeling ko magiging masaya po yung batch po ngayon. Happy po ako for them." She added, "Wag po silang mang-judge isili kung ano lang po yung napapanood nila. Yung iba, ang hilig po nilang mag-judge the way na nakikita nila yung isang tao sa screen." According to Aida Patana of M Talent Events and Promotion, Fayang might have to travel to Cebu and Bohol to fulfill her endorsement duties and Fayang expressed her excitement to travel to Cebu. She even sampled some few Bisaya phrases during the media conference that she learned from her batchmates from PBB Gen 11.